Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you that if you are trying to import a video which I made earlier, and you will see there is a video I'm gonna import here in Adobe Premiere Pro, I will get an error for the failure import, which is giving me an error message. The file has an unsupported compression type. So what is the solution? I'm gonna open the same file which is here and just go to the properties, and you will see the file type is .mkv, which is, as I told you, it is not supported file. I'm creating a new folder here, video MKV, and I'm gonna copy this video to this newly created copy this video to a new folder that we already created, video MKV. So here you go, the extension file is already here. I'm trying to open this file in VLC player. This file, go to the media tab, and here you go, you have an option to convert or save this video file. Click on that. You have that option to select the source, which is again in the new folder, video MKV. I'm selecting this source file, and here you click on convert and save button. Automatically the converter find out that it's the source file which you already selected in the previous step. Now you have to do the setting that you really want to convert this file. Now the last step is to browse the destination folder. So I am telling him that rename this file, because that is the 30 file which is already in that folder. You have to rename like a different name that you have to set, and you will see the extension now for this file is .mp4. You have to save, click on save and click on start to do the conversion for this MKV extension into .mp4 file selection. So here you see this is the new file. It is not yet completely converted. We have to wait for a while. Click on the properties, go to the properties, and you will see this new file has an extension .mp4, and we are good to go. We have to wait for a while. So here you go, you will see that this file has been completely converted into .mp4 extension. If you hover over, you will see that item type mp4 file. Moreover, you can just try to open this one, and this will open in the media player. So now the file is ready. All you need to do is go to Adobe Premiere Pro, click on import, and go to the video MKV. Just make sure that you have selected mp4. If you try to import the same file which is .mkv, it will give you the same failure error. I'm gonna click on .mp4 extension, and here you go, the file has successfully been imported into Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is the most easiest way to convert the file and right away import directly into Adobe Premiere. So if you are trying to find, a lot of videos are there to install third-party software to do the conversion of your file. That is not recommended process. You can do it simply with a VLC player just within few minutes. So if you like this video, do like and subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos. I'm signing off. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.